many times in our lives do we feel that succeeding in a task before us is against all odds? Such feelings can be as lighthearted as my daughter's exclamation at the completion of the third grade that, "If I can pass the third grade, I can do anything." She did. She's a graduate of Georgetown University, married to a wonderful husband and son-in-law, and will soon have their first child. There are times in our adult lives when we seem overwhelmed by a goal or task. Such is often the case in estate litigation, when a sibling, step-parent, or stranger takes everything of a parent's estate by wrongful conduct. The task of righting the wrong might seem overwhelming. In fact, it might be overwhelming. This is where persistence, even in the face of corruption, is powerful. The parable in Luke's Gospel of the persistence of the poor, powerless widow in demanding justice from a corrupt, powerful judge has many messages. Among them, the need to work justly on behalf of the poor and the weak. The lesson to pray always and to not lose heart. And persistence can pay off even with the corrupt human of limited power. The power of persistence, even in the midst of systemic injustice, should not be lost on us. Those who represent the wronged and those who are wronged in estate, trust, and probate matters. This is not to say that we always succeed, but it is to say that our success often would have been impossible without persistence and without hope. We have times in our lives when our hope seems miraculously fulfilled. We've seen such times in the life of our world. The Berlin Wall is torn down, apartheid crumbles, and those once divided become united. We know that we cannot right every wrong, win every battle, or reverse every injustice. But we can work to do more good than bad, to help those that we can, and persist in the belief that justice can win out. If you have a possible estate litigation case where you feel that success is against all odds, call us. We're happy to share our knowledge with you. You might just be like my daughter, who learned that if she could pass the third grade, she could indeed do anything. We see enough cases in enough places where we often see the art of the possible, where others only see the impossible. Call us at Hackard Law, 916-313-3030. Thank you.